Determine fiber cable size and duct size before setup. Choose a cable guide that fits the cable to be installed and place its lower half in the machine. Then, choose a duct clamp that fits the duct and place its lower half in the machine. Release the drive wheel lever by turning it counterclockwise. Prepare your fiber cable by making a precise 90-degree clean cut. Choose a cable head that matches the size and type of your cable. Mount the cable head in place. Finally, mount the cable seal, ensuring it fits tightly to prevent any leakage. Mount the cable with the cable seal into the machine. Check that the correct drive wheel is mounted. Use the clamping wheel to position and secure the cable. Mount the top of the cable guide. Insert 2 cleaning plugs into the duct. Press the plugs further into the duct. Mount top of the duct clamp and tighten it firmly. Do not use force. Connect air to the machine. Always use cool and dry compressed air. When working with dirty or moist environments, it is important to clean the cable before it is inserted into the machine. This can be done with a cleaning plug. Jetting provides an external cable guide to be used with a cleaning plug. Place plug and cable into the guide and mount the guide on side of transport box. Tighten the drive wheel lever against the cable and drive wheel. Now open the air valve slowly. Wait and observe until the cleaning plugs will arrive to end of duct. Disassemble the duct clamps and repeat the procedure, but this time pour micro duct lube into the duct before inserting the 2 cleaning plugs. Reassemble the duct clamps and open the air valve. The cleaning plugs will now lubricate the duct. Now we're ready for installation. Turn on the machine by pressing the button located in front of the battery. Before starting, adjust the pushing force to match the cable by using the plus or minus buttons. By pressing the menu button twice, you can see the total installed distance since the machine left the factory. Start the cable installation by pressing the plus button. Normally, begin without air and add air when the speed decreases. Increase the air pressure gradually in increments of 2 to 2.5 bars. To activate the reverse function, simply press the minus button. Press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds to reset the counter to 0. You can easily switch the display between showing distance and speed in meters or feet. To do this, turn off the machine, then press and hold the stop button while turning the power back on. If needed, use the duct air release valve to safely release the compressed air from the duct. Jetting V0 maintenance. Keep your V0 clean and ensure the batteries are charged. If the rubber rings on the drive wheel are worn, replace them with a new set. If the string seals in the duct compartment are worn, replace them with new ones. Jetting. Dare to do it differently.